recording. Okay, can you see? Now I think you can see this. Okay, whiteboard, and I will type on it. Okay. Well, so about the first one, the first task or essay type is opinion essay. So the first one is opinion essay. What is this? Agree, disagree.
Yeah.
What is this? Agree and disagree. Okay. So this one, for example, about this one, you must clearly give your opinion, point of view. If you agree, if you disagree, partly disagree, it depends. For example, some people believe that technology has made life more complicated. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this is the question of opinion. This is the first one. I will discuss the structure one by one. The next one is discussion essay. What is this one? Both views. Okay. Again, you must discuss both sides. So you should give your opinion. For example, some people think working from home is better, while others believe working in an office is more productive. Discuss both views and give your opinion. This is discussion. It means we have two views and we need to discuss. Again, we have another structure. The third one of the most important, and we can say that maybe topics and type of questions, I mean, is problem solution. What is problem solution? There is a problem. There is a problem like traffic, I don't know, traffic congestion, okay? Because this one is a major problem.
Yeah.
What are causes? What are solution? So first you will discuss the causes that why this happens, and after that you give solution. After that we have advantage, disadvantage, essay. So for example, you should discuss both positive or negative sides. I don't know, the rise of online shopping. So what are advantages? What are disadvantages? And we have another one that is two-part question. Two-part question essay. What is this? There are two questions, two direct. For example, why do people, and the questions are direct. So why do people prefer fast food? This is the first question. Is this a positive or negative development? Two direct questions. So we have two direct questions. You should answer both of them. This is another one. And so we will discuss them. And we have cause and effect, and another one that is what are the cause, one of the what are the effects. So they're different, okay? And we will discuss the structure. The first one and the most important is opinion, I think. Of course, we have like advantage, disadvantage, they're commonly asked questions, but this one is maybe the first thing that we learn in IELTS writing. Now let's talk about the structure. About this one, opinion essay, or most of course, all this question types, we have again 4 paragraphs, maybe 5, so it could be. The first one is introduction, the most important. Main body 1, main body 2, and conclusion. What's the difference with task 1? In task 1, there is no conclusion. We have overview. But in task 2, we don't have, because it's not about like something like visuals. So it's about your opinion. It's about like some other topics. Let's talk about them one by one. Today, we want to talk about opinion essay. So let's have a good question for opinion essay. And of course, we will write, so we will have the structure and we will write a perfect essay for band 8. Okay. For opinion essay, My question was actually it was a good question, but we can have another one. Let me see. Okay.
Mm.
For example, yeah,
Opinion.
opinion essay.
Yeah.
Agree, disagree.
Yeah.
Okay.
Opinion is saying we can pick one and to build the evidence and is a to support the the opinion one side.
This is, of course, if maybe you are partly agree, so it depends. So then you can both,
Uh-huh,
I will tell
mhm.
you how to. Now we will write an essay together. So what is the question?
Yeah.
Some people believe that university education should be free for everyone. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Okay, so what do you think? The first paragraph is introduction. What you need to write in your introduction, this one is really important. First,
Yeah.
you should paraphrase the question. Why we do this? To show your ability. I understood the question and I am able to use synonyms. So the most important,
Mm.
and doesn't matter whether it's opinion, advantage, disadvantage, cause and effect, whatever it is, first unit, the first line of introduction is the paraphrase of question. Then you should give clear opinion, but no detail. This one is really important. Give your clear opinion. If you agree, if disagree. Now I want to talk about this one. Let's write the introduction together. Okay, I want to paraphrase the question, but first I need to know the keywords. What are keywords? The words, important words that I can replace with synonyms. Now, some people believe that, first of all, let's make it passive. Passive is perfect structure for IELTS, especially IELTS writing, for writing task one, for writing task two. I want to change it to passive so I don't need some people. I delete it, remove it. University education is good, so this is an anchor word. So I can, for band 8, I can use it. I say university education. Okay. Um, I want to change it. I can say has become, for example, extremely expensive in some countries, in many countries, leading some people to argue that it should be free for all or no. So I can write it this way. So I can say has become, okay, extremely. I can use intensifier, expensive. Of course, I can have another version. This is only a sample. In many countries, leading some people to argue that it should be free for all students. Then I say, I agree. I strongly agree that higher education should be provided without cost free. Can you see? I'm paraphrasing, I'm using synonyms. Why?
Yeah.
As it promotes equality and benefits society as a whole. That's it. Even if you don't write the last line, it's okay. For a band 8, we want to make it a little bit more detailed, so I gave this one. If no, it's okay. So this one is a good introduction, we can say, for band 8. For band 7, for example, if I want to change the introduction, only the introduction for band 7, it would be really easy. So, for example, uh, university education has
Can you write
become,
down?
yes, yes, yes. Of course.
Can you
Do
write down the same?
of
Yeah,
course,
because
of
I
course.
think it's very important to me.
Of course,
Yeah.
yes, I will. Okay. It's better
The
because I
first one is the
forget.
band F.
8. It's good for
Yeah,
band 8. Okay.
yeah,
Now
F.
we
Yeah,
have, yeah.
yeah,
Now just look at band 7 and then you will understand what I say that getting band 7
yeah,
is so easy. University education is
yeah. I think
very
it may be fit for me.
expensive in many countries. Okay. And some people
Mhm.
think it should be free for all students. Okay. And I left this. Okay, students. Okay. I agree. I don't need intensifier. This is band 7. I agree with this opinion because, not as, because it's simpler. It can help um, create equal opportunities and bring benefits to society. Can you see? This is band 7.
Yeah.
Super easy. Yeah, so you don't need to add anywhere. It's like completely easy. Why? Simpler. Very instead of saying increasingly, okay, sorry. Instead of saying increasingly expensive or extremely or
Mm.
increasingly, I can say very. That's it. Instead of saying promote equality, I can say create equal opportunities. That's it. And benefit society as a whole just brings benefits, so they're easy. For band 8, your writing, your essay is more complex, more formal. Band 7, shorter sentences, clear, less academic. So we can say that's a difference, okay? Well, this
Yeah.
is about our
Do
introduction.
do do. Yeah. Do we have the basic?
No, don't think about it. 7. No,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah. At
never.
least. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I want to say that. No, just
Yeah.
think
I
about band
think
7.
I think yeah. I think maybe maybe it have to be to because I easy to have the IC win in a grammar. So I think I think that I
Okay.
think if I write it down in the band 7, but but maybe I
You
have
make
some IC
mistake,
win
you make
grammar.
grammar mistake, then
Yeah,
you will get 6.
yes,
So let me say
yeah,
why I'm trying to help you get 7, because when you get ready for band 7, even if you make
yeah,
mistake, of course you will get
mm,
6 or 6.5 at least. But when you are
yeah,
getting
yeah.
ready for just a simple a basic